Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to demonstrate how to polish the crystal of HMT watches. And by this I mean how to polish an acrylic crystal when it gets scratched and all those scuffs mark are there. So there is a very easy home DIY at home based process that we definitely need to go through. So what do we need? We need the damaged acrylic crystal, or that is totally scuffed and all marked and all the scratches and everything. Just for the reference, for the sake of clarity, this is a freshly polished acrylic crystal. I will simply place it on this and show you how hazy it is looking at the moment. For the reference, you please check how hazy it is looking. And I'm going to polish this crystal. I will keep the watch aside. So for this we will need a small microfiber cloth or a soft surfaced cloth. We will need little bit amount of water, very little, and what we actually need is a plain white toothpaste here. Just for the sake of property rights, I am not showing the name, but you know what toothpaste I am referring to. This is a plain white one. So what we will do, we will simply take a dab of toothpaste onto the cloth, a very little bit amount of toothpaste as we have taken here, and we will close it. And by using this water, we will put one slight drop of water on the surface of the acrylic crystal, and we will just dab this white plain toothpaste all over the acrylic here, and in circular rotation we will simply polish it out. The deeper the scratch, the harder you need to polish it. And if the surface gets dry, slightly dip the cloth in water, a little bit of water. Let me just, for the sake of convenience, keep the water in the picture here. I will just try to do it very safely and gently. And the last thing you need is patience. So in circular motion, you please go ahead and polish the entire surface area of the crystal just like this in circular motion. Or even if you want, you can keep it flat on the palm of your hand and do the polishing thing. This is very efficient manner because it won't move and it is held very firmly here. You take the toothpaste on the surface back and continuously move it like this. So I will try to fast forward it in the video, but you won't get the complete picture of what I am actually talking about. So if you can see that the crystal is already getting clarity and the shine already, so we can also take a little bit more dab of the white toothpaste onto the crystal, and we will again use this dabbed piece of cloth, and we will simply rub it. So it takes some patience, a little bit of time, a circular motion, constant circular motion like this, and this is really going well, I think. In the end, when your work is done, I am not going to polish it completely because of the time shortage. Simply wash it, get the crystal wet, and from the dry part of cloth wipe it off properly in all the directions, in all the places and everything. You will see a substantial improvement in the shine of the crystal as well as the transparency of the crystal, and I am going to show it to you right now. I will just wipe my hands clean, and then I will show it to you how it is, how it has come into effect. So there is a much clarity now, much clarity in the transparency of the crystal, unlike the hazy it was before. There is still some scratches remaining, but for the sake of the video I have kept it very short. As I said before, patience, patience and patience in polishing these crystals. Not only in these HMT watches, rather than in all the Vostoks and all those vintage acrylic crystals can be polished like this. So you can already see the shine, how it is looking now compared to how it was looking before. So this is how you polish the crystal of an HMT watch. And after successive requests of many friends, I have finally decided to make this. So go ahead, if you want to polish your HMT watch crystals or any other acrylic, use this particular method. So do like, share and subscribe, and there will be more videos coming on DIY on HMT watches. So have a nice evening. Bye.